What's up, everybody? It's Stephen here from Mod2Fame, and boy, oh boy, do I got a good one for y'all today. I ain't even gonna say nothing. Let's jump into it. Let's go. So guys, here we are in this 2017 BMW i8. Yes, I know this car, a lot of people like it, and then a lot of people don't see the value in it, but man, this one is special. It's a little bit different. I can't see anybody not liking it. And from the preview, tell me right now in the comments, are you excited about this video or nah? Tell me right now in the comments, just based on that preview, just seeing the opening scene, just seeing what this car looks like. Tell me if you as hype as I am, because I'm hype. But honestly, it's because I have every reason to be, man. This car looks absolutely sick. So I told you guys back in the day that your boy here used to customize cars for a living. So I still have some of my old like clients and stuff like that, and friends, really client turned friends, that call me like, yo, Steph, I got a car and I want to do it up. So this car is a result of using my resources. What are my resources? Is people that I know to still get done. So for an example, this car was a collaboration between myself, Elite Design Concepts on the wheels, like the wheels we got on the Porsche, and in addition to that, Exclusive Vinyl, who did the wrap, and in addition to that, In-Track Tires, who installed the wheels, refinished them a different color to match the purple. All in all, this was an amazing build project. But I guess I could tell y'all a little bit about the base of the car, like what the car is. So if any of you are wondering, BMW i8, it is a 3-cylinder turbo engine coupled with a hybrid motor, an electric engine. The car comes with 368 horsepower. So therefore, no, not setting the world on fire. No, not the fastest thing. But I can tell you the car is quick. It's faster than your regular car. I promise you that. That's not all what this car is about. It's not only about how fast it is or how fast it's not. It's about the way this car makes you feel when you pull up. And let me tell you, this makes you feel special, dog. It makes you feel very, very special. What we're gonna do now is just ride out real quick. I'm gonna take y'all with me for a spin in the i8. I hope y'all like it. This car is although it's like super silent, only upon full throttle the 3-cylinder motor kicks in, the turbo spools up, and this thing will shoot ahead pretty good. It gives a nice little pull, a nice little thrust, especially when you put it in full sport mode. It moves along pretty darn good. And it's like the perfect balance of like kind of luxury, sport, and conscious of the environment. So it does all the above. But to be honest with you, that's not really the motivation behind a car like this, I don't think. I mean, maybe a couple people bought it because of the hybrid technology. I believe that this car specifically is really going to advance BMW. You're gonna see the technology from this car go through the full line. And what I'm hoping for is that they actually produce a M model of this car. If they produce an M model of this car, it's gonna be curtains for certain. I'm telling y'all, it's gonna be a beast. If they have the hybrid M version, that's it. And I think that's where all these cars are headed. I think that's the goal for all of these manufacturers, that they want to get to like that, you know, level of performance. So I don't know, man. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Do you guys respect the technology that BMW has put in? You know, do you think it was a waste of time for them? I don't know, but me, I kind of respect it. But let's talk a little bit about the mods that's done to this car. So far, I can tell you what's done is, the most obvious thing is the plum explosion colored wrap. The wrap is ridiculous in color, right? And then in addition to that, what really flows nicely is the fact that the car is slammed down on lowering springs the car is on, but it's we adjusted the way that it's mounted up a little bit, and you know, overall it makes the car look really good lowered down. And most importantly is the wheels. The wheels, like, along with the wrap, without those two things, it's like, you know, it wouldn't come along as crazy and as nice as this car looks. So with the fitment of the wheels is really crazy though. These cars do not have like wide arches. They don't have the room for it. So what we actually did to make it crazier is we added fender flares, like small flares that we could push the wheels out, give it a more aggressive look. And for that reason, we were able to get a 22 by 11.5 in the back of this car with absolutely no issues. The front is a 22 by 9, in case you were wondering. The finish on the wheels is pretty cool. Elite Design Concepts did something nice. Instead of doing it like gloss black like most people would have done, Elite Design Concepts said, we just gonna make that look a little cooler. And the way that we're gonna make it look cooler is we are going to do it with a dark, really dark gray with a nice metallic flake in it. And then they brought the purple into the wheel as well by doing the rivets, the center cap, and the inner barrel in the same color match purple. I think it's sick. Exclusive Vinyl did their thing with the install. It's a really clean install, and the thing that I like the most is when you open the doors, if you look at this door seams, it's the color as well. The original color of this car was gray, so now it's purple, so it looks like the car came from the factory that way. I believe that's the right way. If you're gonna do a wrap, that's the right way to wrap a car. And then the way it all just came together, from the wheels, the fender flares, the wrap, the lowering, the small details that the car has, like the tinted accents and some of the tinted light pieces, it just all came together really nice to make a sick car. The car was already nice. The i8 is already really cool. The interior is really cool. The lights and stuff are cool. But the build in total just really went to the next level. Overall, I would say the i8 for me is a definite lease type situation. Would I buy an i8? I don't know, especially if it's not under warranty. It falls kind of in a range of the Ghibli in that sense. Like the review that I did on a Ghibli, it kind of falls in that bracket a little bit because I'm just unsure about the long term of the car. So I wouldn't want to own it outside of warranty, and I probably wouldn't want to own many BMWs outside of warranty. So for that reason, I would probably like lease a car like this until it has a little bit more history. But like I said, guys, I mean, I really like it. Rolling through the city right now, we about to hit up. I'm gonna just pass through Times Square real quick with the car and just let people go crazy. And I just want to film that for y'all. I just want to film that for y'all, what that experience is like. Yeah, so here we are. I decided to bring the car to the middle of Times Square for y'all. It's about to get crazy. I'm about to show y'all a couple shots in the middle of Times Square. This is my city. Remember, I told y'all I'm from New York. This is my city. So So I'm gonna start doing this with a couple more cars. The crazy part is I just want to see how big the crowd gets around this car. Alright y'all, so we did a little bit different tonight. Just a little bit different. We ended the video here. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure y'all go get that merch, Mod2Fame.com/merch. Also, this car, among many others, are going to be at Cecil County Dragway June 3rd for Mod2Fame Fest. But if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share. But until the next one, this is Stephen here from Mod2Fame, and in this I8, we out.